got the back jacked up. We got it on some stands. Still got the jack under it for support. So we're gonna take this brake line loose, gonna take the sway bar loose, gonna probably take the shock loose right here. Probably do that on both sides because here's our coil spring way back in here. So we gotta let it down enough to get the coil spring out. And I'm gonna have to take the sway bar end link loose. So might just tackle it right here on this side since that's so close, but I don't know. We're gonna take that loose, gonna take that loose, gonna take the shock loose at the bottom, and then we're gonna try to let this sucker down, get that out, put it right back in. Be really easy, so let's hop to it, and let's get it done. So alrighty, what we did, we got everything put back, put our sway bar back, put our brake line back, and then we got our block mounted up in there. It's a little bit tricky. You almost need an extra set of hands, not gonna lie, a little bit tricky, but you can just get it right in there, tighten it right up. We got it back in there, everything's together. We're gonna put the wheel on, we're gonna let it down, we're gonna measure it and see what we got.